Hi, this is how I transformed my dated pink tile guest bathroom into an eclectic Art Deco oasis, all by myself using affordable techniques. Okay, so if you're new here, last month I went through a rather transformative experience, so I decided I wanted to start redoing every space in my house, starting with this guest bathroom, which has these pink tiles and this beautiful terracotta clay tile floor that I don't want to touch. Okay, the first big change I did was replace the light. I found this vintage light fixture on Facebook Marketplace that I had to have. It's giving glam, it's gold, I love it. I'm a gold girly for life. Okay, then it's time for the walls. This took a while to decide on because I didn't know if I wanted to do wallpaper or what, but I ended up going with the color of the year, peach. I just think it complements the pink tile and the terracotta really nicely, and it just glows in here differently now. This part's for my mental health. I reorganized and relined the shelves. This is nothing you can see, but it's just for my own, my own mental. And I used this beautiful vintage paper my mom had. I'm a firm believer that an organized space really does affect your mental health, so I like to reorganize twice a year so things don't pile up and become unmanageable. Then I switched out these old blinds for quaint cafe curtains that I had custom made on Etsy because we love to support small businesses. I went with this flax linen material because I didn't want to block the natural light but still wanted the privacy option. Next, I switched out all the hardware in the shower and the sink. Look how gross that rust is. Yuck. Admittedly, I did have to hire plumbers for the sink because I don't trust myself with plumbing. Anyway, so I've had this swan sink saved on my Pinterest for years, and I decided to finally get it. She steals the show. I smell it every time I walk in here now. I love it. But the set didn't come with a drain, so I had to buy a new drain, and I had my dad install that. Okay, then I ordered these custom Calcutta marble switch plates on Etsy from this business in Turkey. They usually don't do oval, but I messaged them, and they made them. I love them. Pieces of art. Etsy has so many gems. I also got this handmade brass teepee holder from a store in Morocco. Also an Etsy find. If anything, this bathroom is cultured. She was a little more expensive, but she's worth it. Okay, then I added a metal border to the mirror. I was inspired by someone else who I saw on TikTok do this. So I went to the hardware store and bought metal cutters after breaking a few pairs of scissors and slicing my hands. Don't be like me, use the correct tools. But you can buy this metal tape on Amazon. It's adhesive on one side and sticks really well. Super easy. Okay, then to finish it off, I just added some low light plants, artwork, and ta-da! Just like that, I transformed my pink tile guest bathroom into an eclectic and charming space that makes me smile every time I walk in here. Let me know what you guys think and follow to see my next DIY home makeover. Okay, ciao.